Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So the Galaxy S24 Ultra got some new updates that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we'll talk about those updates. So for that, simply go into the Galaxy Store app of your phone, then tap on menu, then tap on updates. So you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates available. So most of these app updates include some bug fixes and the issues that were there before. Also, there are some new features included with the theme park app. Now to update them all, simply tap on update all and all of these apps will be updated. If you talk about theme park, so if you don't know, you can change the theme or the icons of your phone using this theme park. To do so, simply go into the theme park, then tap on icon, then tap on create new, then tap on this icon pack option. Now you will have to install any icon pack that you want. For example, if you want fluffy icons or the One UI 8.5 style dark icons, so that is possible. Simply download this app from the Play Store, then you can select this icon pack from the theme park. Now for example, I have downloaded this One UI dark icons. Now I will save it and quickly give it a name, then tap on OK. Now this One UI 8.5 styled dark icon pack will be saved on my device. Once it is saved, you just have to simply tap on it and tap on apply. And that's how you can use this theme park to change the icons on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. And if you're concerned about that, this might lag, so there is no lag while opening and closing of the apps. Also, there's another update that you guys might be missing out. So for that, simply go into the settings, then tap on software update. From here, you will get to see this new December update available for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some new updates available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So check out these updates. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.